In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put cover for the board on Milanote. A board cover is the first thing you and your collaborators see, so setting a clear, attractive image helps your workspace feel organized and intentional. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can update your cover with confidence. Start by heading to Milanote and opening the board you want to customize. Make sure you're in the right place before you make changes, especially if you have multiple boards with similar names. If you're working on something important, it can be a good idea to duplicate the board first so you always have a safe version to fall back on. At the top of the board, look for the board title. Right near the title, you'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click that menu to open the board options. Depending on your view and device, the menu may be slightly to the right or tucked into the top bar. If you don't see it immediately, hover near the title or widen your browser window. In the board options, choose Add Cover or Change Cover if you already have one set. You'll be prompted to pick an image. You can upload your own file from your computer, or you can select a visual from the options provided. When choosing an image, aim for something high resolution so it looks crisp at the top of your board. Wide images generally fit better than very tall ones. If your image includes text or a logo, keep important elements away from the edges so they don't get cropped. Once the image is selected, you'll have the chance to adjust it. Use the reposition or crop controls to frame the subject exactly how you want it. Slide the image around until the focal point sits comfortably in the center. If there's a title overlay on your board, check that the image provides enough contrast so the text remains easy to read. This is also a great moment to compare a few options quickly and choose the one that best represents your project. When you're happy with the preview, click Done or Apply to save your changes. The cover will update instantly. Take a quick look at your board's header to make sure it appears as expected. If anything looks off, you can reopen the menu and fine-tune the position or swap the image at any time. That's it. Your Milanote board now has a custom cover that sets the tone and makes your workspace easier to navigate.